Marvel is at it again, and these are Black Panther shots, okay? Now, I'm making these before I've seen the movie, so I just going by the images I've seen on screen. So we put ice in a glass, add some Hennessy, add some Alizé Gold, and then we come behind with some gold luster dust. Why? Because in some of the stills from the film, I noticed that his mask at one point had like a gold lining. So we wanted to capture that. So we pour a little bit of gold in the bottom to represent the lining on one of the masks he wore. Okay, and then we come behind, obviously it's Black Panther, and we top that with black vodka. So this is a really simple shot, nothing super crazy in it. I mean, you have to find some black vodka, but you might be able to get away with food coloring. I don't know if the food coloring would bleed into the gold, but give it a shot. And there you have it, Black Panther shots. Super awesome, super fun. Enjoy the movie because it's supposed to be really, really good. So for all your mixing needs, come to tipsybartender.com.